Now we will select the go to Google Forms option. So you can see that there are a lot of options. For business purposes, we can create any Google form or a questionnaire like this t-shirt for any marketing purposes, for contact information to collect any data of any organization or any student. We can select this contact information form, or to for any invitation for we can collect data by using this form. So I will create a blank form in this video so that you can understand better how to create any Google form. So this window is open to me. First of all, I will select the title of this form. I will give the name or sample paper. I will write first. I will give the description of this form, but for what purpose I am creating this Google form. I will write this form will be used as a sample to collect data of students in a school, to collect sample of number of students in a school. So I will be creating a Google form for this purpose. Then I will surely ask some options, like first of all option number one I will ask yes, and by clicking add another option I will write no. There will be two possibilities that someone is coming to party or not. So I will ask yes or no. The user can give me answer and will be recorded in the form of yes or no. So in this way, we can add number of questions by clicking this button add question. So in this question, I will ask how I will ask how many students will be expected, or I will simply write how much cost is expected for any purpose. I am just writing as a practice. You can write any question. After that, you can write short answer of this question here, or you can write any introduction question over here, so that students or any other person can answer you here. So in this way, you can add number of questions or questionnaire here to record the number of responses for any data or a purpose of a report or a research purpose. Now you can add here also multiple options. You will can add by clicking just add another option. You can add multiple option 2, 3, 4. Now this is the option to preview this Google form you have recently created. Now the form the will be appear to any user will be in the form of this sheet. The user will be given name, email, college, university, registration number, and he will click just simply clicking this submit option. So in this way you can easily create a simple Google form sheet. But the question is how you can send this Google form to any of your fellows or any other person. If there is an option of send, you will click this send option. You can send it through email. You can email this Google form directly to a person to whom you can email, or you can invite him, or you can click this option to copy. You will go the link of this video or this Google form will be clipped, and you can paste it anywhere to your WhatsApp friends or any other way you can save it this Google link, and you can share it or any other media. So this way you can create a Google form. You can even make a quiz which will be discussed in our next videos. So in next video I will describe how to check the responses of the Google form or any other functions, like how to add an image, how to add title, description, important questions, how you can add even a video to your word, to your this format of Google Sheet, how you can add any another sections. There are a lot of things to be discussed in the next video. So subscribe this channel and keep watching. Thank you.